the one haircut that any guy can wear. Well, if you have enough hair and you're open-minded to something that you can change. Now, here is the haircut, and let's break this down. Before I start getting into more specifics, when it comes to face shapes, you have to think of, what is the actual face shape? Is it round? Is it square? Is it triangular? Is it oval, more diamond shape? If you have an oval face shape, basically it's perfectly symmetrical and you can wear anything, any kind of hairstyle. Any kind of hairstyle. If you've got a longer face, you don't want to wear hair really, really long because guess what? It's going to keep elongating your face. Or something that's got really high style because you don't want anything to elongate the face. You want to close it down a bit. So, something a bit on the shorter side or something that kind of creates some volume in through different areas. So it's not going to keep dragging you down, For a round face, like a rounder face shape, sometimes you want to close it in a bit more because it's so open in through here and so rounded. So a triangular shape, something a bit maybe longer in the front and even throughout the sides here, maybe coming forward, but anything that's more of a longer type shape to, basically what I'm saying is it's almost like you need to create the opposite of what you have, right? You don't want to put a square haircut on top of a square, face shape. A rounded haircut, you don't want to make someone have really, really wide sides and just really one big poof ball because it's going to make them look like a basketball or something. So you guys need to understand that when it comes to your own face shape, because I got a lot of comments about face shape, it really depends on what you should be asking your stylist or your barber for this, you know what I mean? I get so many comments and questions and I'm like, why don't you just ask them? Like they should be able to tell you. So anyway, so the one haircut that anyone can wear, just regardless of what your face shape is something like this. As far as the shortness on the sides go, it doesn't have to be particularly that short, but you can have a taper, but I would definitely suggest tapering it somewhat here throughout the sides. Now, with some haircuts, they actually work better for hiding certain face shapes. And the big advantage to having some length on top, we're probably talking about, I'd say anywhere from 3 to 4 inches in length on top. Maybe a little bit shorter, but not like a whole lot shorter or a whole lot longer. Because what you can do at this length is you can wear a variety of different hairstyles. So, if you've got more of a narrow face or it's a bit square, you may want to use something that's going to give you a bit more volume in through here. And you can also create a side parting, right, to kind of offset that. And a lot of the face shapes, by changing your part, that actually offsets how it looks and can really create a whole new appearance. And it balances out your face really well. If you do have a really long face, you don't want to have something that's way up here because again, it's just going to elongate the face. Instead, what you want to do is maybe bring it down a bit more and maybe have something more like this. Okay, more open again and towards the face a bit, going this way on a side part. If you've got like a rounded face, you may want to again bring this more down of more of like a fringe in through here, right? Keeping it a bit more narrow throughout the sides here. And oval again, I said you can do anything, but this allows you to slick it all back if you want to. It allows you to create kind of a side part in through here. It allows you to kind of come all down and come forward this way if you want to create more of a textured crop. So what if you don't have perfectly straight hair? Well, these types of haircuts work great on, straight hair, maybe kind of wavy hair, fine to medium textured hair, thick hair. If you've got really curly hair, the concept is there. The face shape remains the same and the concept is still there. It's just it's a different hair texture. So you have to straighten your hair by blow drying it or whatever, or just create a shape that's going to enhance your curls to go with your face shape. It's pretty much that simple. So let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful and if you are going to get, a haircut like this. If you're like, what? This is a great idea. I can do a side part. I can slick it back. I can have a variety. That's really going to help you guys out. So let me know if it does help you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.